In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add funds to eToro with a credit card. To get started, sign into your eToro account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account and using a secure internet connection, especially since you'll be entering payment information during this process. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your main account dashboard. From there, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Deposit Funds. This is the section eToro uses for adding money to your account, and it will open the funding window where you can choose how much you want to deposit and which payment method you'd like to use. Next, enter the deposit amount. Type in the amount of money you want to add to your eToro account. Take a moment here to make sure the amount is correct and within your budget. It's always a good idea to double-check the currency shown as well, so you know exactly what will be charged. After that, open the Payment Method menu by clicking the drop-down under Choose Payment Method. This will display the available funding options connected to your account or available in your region. From the list, select Credit Debit Card. This option lets you fund your account directly using your card, which is often one of the fastest and most convenient methods. Once you've selected that option, enter your card details as requested. Carefully fill in the required information, such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. Be sure to type everything accurately to avoid delays or declined transactions. If you're on a shared computer, it's also smart to avoid saving card details unless you fully trust the device. Now review the deposit details. Check the amount you entered and confirm that the selected payment method is correct. This is the best time to catch any mistakes before the payment is processed. If anything looks off, go back and correct it before moving forward. When everything looks good, click Continue. This will take you to the next stage of the deposit process, where your payment will be prepared for final confirmation. To finish, complete the payment by following the prompts on screen. Depending on your bank or card provider, you may need to verify the transaction with an extra security step, such as a one-time confirmation code or banking app approval. Once that's done, the deposit will be processed and the funds should appear in your eToro account. And that's it. You've successfully added funds to eToro with a credit card. Thanks for watching.